Hey, what's going on everyone? Michael back with another video. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you how to move a Microsoft form from an individual to a group. So this is super helpful in case a user leaves the organization and they have a form under their account. It will be removed after 30 days, and if it's an important form, you might have to contact an admin to get it back, or it might not even be available no more. So transferring it to a group will allow everyone within the group to become owners, so you can all work and collaborate on the form, and if a user leaves the organization, the form's still available within the group. So I have a marketing survey right here. So let's say the marketing team made a survey, and let's say Michael on the marketing team made the survey. He's the only owner of the group of the form right now. So if he left the organization, the form wouldn't be available after 30 days, and most of the data would be lost. So to transfer this to a group, we go ahead and click on the triple dot, press move, and it will show all the groups you're available in. And marketing's right here. And you can only do this once, so be sure you click on the correct one, or else you will have to remake the form and assign it to the correct group. So we will go ahead and press move. So as you can see, form moved from marketing survey by marketing survey in the group page. So marketing survey is now available in the marketing group. So let me refresh the page. And as you can see, the move option is no longer available. So we have the groups right underneath. Let's go ahead and click on marketing, and the form's now available under the marketing group. So this is like the best practice you want to do with all your forms. Make sure they're available under groups. So in case someone leaves an organization, the forms are still available. So that'll be the video for today. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.